guys, today we're going to do a little review on the universal tube clamp from Telesin. Bought it off Amazon for the bicycle trip coming up. Let's see how it works. Okay, so at the beginning you're going to see a little user guide here on how to put together. Next we'll go through all the pieces. You have your main clamp here, which is really heavy duty, not cheap feeling at all, really sturdy. An extra piece of rubber to clip onto your bicycle or to a trailer, depending on what you're using it on. I'll try it later and see how small we can get it on. But real well, I like that so far. Now we have a little adapter to put on the ball, and again, it seems really really sturdy, not cheap at all for an inexpensive mount. Okay, and then for this I'm going to be using my phone adapter. Okay, and it comes with a very sturdy little adapter here, so I'll just put it on here. Well, I'll try to like this. Okay, clip it on here, tighten these, and there we go. Like I said, it seems really sturdy. So for this review, I'm going to be using an iPhone just to clip it in. So this is the only thing that seems a little less strong, but well, it feels real tight, but it feels like it could snap if you're not gentle with it. But yeah, here's how it looks. Real good flexibility. And yeah, so far I like it, and we'll see how it works. Also, you can connect it to a GoPro if you have one. Comes with a little adapter as well. And the last thing I'm going to show you guys is for the little extending arm. So if you wanted to, you could extend your GoPro on the bike, which is pretty neat. I'm looking forward to using this. Alright guys, so that is the review of the Telesin bicycle clamp. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.